Have you ever wondered if mathematics can be visualized? Next, we have Dr. Snehalata Kaliappan to show us how to visualize mathematics using free and open source software.
Okay, so good afternoon all. I am back again. Yeah, with a demonstration of the free and open source software which I had discussed earlier today. So they are JMOL application. I'll just show you the interface, how it looks. The JMOL interface, pretty user friendly. So once you download, this is what it looks. And then when you click on this, you get the, the methane molecule, which is by default. And you can play around with this. So your chemistry teachers can use it very easily. Just, yeah, this is the, ethane. So you can keep on adding, the chloro. So a chlorine. So this is chloroethane. So just for demo, so you can do many more things with this. So for example, if you want to measure bond lengths, bond angles, or minimize the structure to its most stable conformation, so just minimize it. And then do exit model kit mode, and you want to do the bond angles or bond lengths. So this is so easy to do it. Okay, so this is how it's very user friendly. Just click and then you can do, and complex structures, for example, you can just extract from the database. So for example, cholesterol. So the most famous molecule. Okay, so this is the one. And you can change the, view or style. So you can do ball and stick. So, or zoom. So all these things, you can do in JMOL. So you can use a molecular surface. So these are some of the very, very basic things I'm showing here. All the crystal structures also you can use, or you can use even enzymes also using, the get PDB, all these, and yes, sir. The Chem Collective Virtual Lab. So all the stock solutions and everything are available here. For example, for the titration, if you want to use sodium hydroxide, it is here, and strong acids, strong bases. All of them are here. So whatever from the list you can take, weak acids, even indicators are here. So, and some solids are also, you will find many things actually. I'm just showing the very basic things here. We have glassware. So for example, beaker, you take a beaker, or volumetrics, a burette. Okay, so this is a very, for example, if you want to do a titration. So all these things, apart from that, you have a Bunsen burner or a, weighing boat, weighing scale, everything is here. So, for example, I'll just weigh and show you things. So you keep, and you take any solid, sodium chloride, for example, and then weigh. So, for example, if you want to transfer 10 grams, you just click on pour and it gives the 10. Okay. So like this, you can do a lot of transfer of liquids also. So all the tutorials are available here. I want to show you that actually. So this is where all the tutorials are available for whatever I demonstrated. So for example, courses, then you go Chem Collective Virtual Labs. So we have around 14 tutorials explaining all the experiments which are suitable for high school. So and beyond also. So high school, definitely we have, like preparation of standard solutions, pH measurements, density of solids, and the titrations. Okay, so titrations are the favorite of the school children, so you can just take it from here.
Welcome to the spoken tutorial on acid-base titration.
So I'll just skip the initial
20
part.
ml of hydrochloric acid into ml of sodium hydroxide into the burette. Observe that burette reading is not 0.
So I'll just stop here and I'll show you probably few spoken tutorials for JMOL also. So there are around 18. So you can see here, we have this, from the basics, like how to create a molecular models or measurements, labeling, and how to show orbitals, structures, crystal structures. These are actually very good. So for, I think,
Welcome
the
to this
class 9,
tutorial
11,
on
12.
crystal
So
We
how
will
to
search
go to the database and then upload the structure, and how
located
to
on the right-hand
analyze
side.
the unit cell for the crystal. So
We have downloaded from the
yeah, this is the sodium chloride structure of
A,
structure
E,
of
and
sodium
C are
chloride.
equal. The
So these are
angles
hard to
alpha
show on the board class, on the
display the
blackboard. So
sequence on the
becomes
pop-up
easy
menu.
if you this is graphite
Scroll down symmetry in the
or
subject.
diamond. So
Click
this
on
is some other
reload
structure
444
which is explained in the
661
tutorial.
option.
So I think I'll stop here. So thank you all. So hope it will be useful, for you all. Thanks.